Hello students, today we will learn some more terms related to a computer network. Let us discuss the communication medium or the transmission medium. Communication medium or communication channel is that medium through which we transmit or receive the data within a network. It helps us to connect various devices of a computer network through which all the communication occurs. A communication medium can be divided into two parts. First, guided medium, another unguided medium. Guided medium is the wired medium and the unguided medium is the wireless medium for communication. There are different types of guided medium such as twisted pair cable, Ethernet cable, coaxial cable, optical fiber. Now the things comes where we use what type of communication medium. You will get one question from the communication medium in your examination. So let us discuss them. Guided medium, first twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable generally we use in local area network LAN. It is low in cost and it is used to connect the devices in a local area network. Another is Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable basically we use to set up a Ethernet LAN. Ethernet is a type of network in which all the network devices are interconnected with each other. In simple way, we can say that Ethernet cable is used to connect the network devices such as modem, switch, hub, router, gateways, etc. within a network. So don't be confused in the twisted pair cable and in the Ethernet cable. Basically, Ethernet cable is used to connect the network devices such as modem, bridge, switch, router, etc. And twisted pair cable generally we use to connect different clients to the server. Now the coaxial cable. Coaxial cable generally we use it in metropolitan area network. For example, the cable of television wire, cable television, which we use to supply the television signals in a metropolitan area network. So the cable TV wire is a coaxial cable which contains a copper wire. After that there is a wrapping of plastic coating. After that there is a wrapping of mesh, and after that it is covered with a insulated material. So if we use coaxial cable in metropolitan area network, for example cable TV network, there where we use the coaxial cable. Now there comes optical fiber or fiber optics. Generally we use optical fibers in wide area network because optical fiber transmit the data in the form of light, which is having the maximum speed. So if we want to transmit the data to a large distance, then we have to transmit it with the speed of light. That's why we use optical fiber or fiber optic in wide area network. So let us revise. In guided medium, it is a wired medium. There are different examples like Ethernet cable, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optic, optical fiber. We use twisted pair cable and Ethernet cables in local area network. Ethernet cable is used to connect network devices such as modem, switch, router, hubs in a network. Coaxial cable we use in metropolitan area network, for example to supply the cable television within a city. And optical fiber we use in wide area network because it carries the signal in the form of light, so that signal can be transmitted to a large distance without being data loss.